Right now we're looking for the transfer case for the Liberty. Well, there is a 2002 Jeep Liberty up over here on this corner, four-wheel drive. Same transfer case. The only difference is it's a sports model and it's not a limited. We'll get to it right now in a second and I'll show you. Look at all these Dodgers. We're in the Chrysler area right now. Dodge, Chrysler. But there's one right here we could have got. Moving on. This ZJ, the last model before the WJ, it's ripped apart. People just got into it, obviously. It's a junkyard. This is a 96. This one had the V8. I think these only came with a V8 and a straight 6. Pretty big junkyard over here. Beautiful day today. Okay, this is the Liberty right here. 2002. It's been sitting for quite some time. Hoping it's mainly just the engine issue. More than likely engine and tranny. Same engine as all the other Liberty people out there, except the diesels. Your typical 3.7 liter. Looks like they used to have some of these 31s on it, if they are 31s. Kendas. What are they? They're 245, 75, 16. I think just under a 31-inch tire. I think actually it's like a 30.5. So yeah, just under a 31, I think. Just sitting. I may need that manual. I need to figure out what some fuses are for under the dash. But yeah, this thing has been sitting for a very long time. Full of dust. Not too shabby though. I do need to pull. I need one of these off for sure. And I need this fuse. This fuse, if it's still good. I need that fuse. It's for the radiator fan. Mine has blown. That's what the check engine light is. I just read it. It's reading, if I remember, a P1491, I think, if I'm correct. I could be wrong. That's the fuse it needs. That's what the computer's reading. The only code it's actually popping up, thankfully. I didn't want to have to run through a whole mess of codes and figure them all out. So just that one fuse right here I'm going to be pulling out. And yeah, I'll show you guys some more of the transfer case removal.
I took that one off, Chris. This one's really good.
All right, excellent.
What'd you put in your toolbox?
Yeah. That's a big rusty one right there. The transfer case has got a motor, like a mount, a type of a motor mount on the cross member so that it stays stable up on to the tranny. So we got to disconnect that first. It would be smart to. Forgot to charge this battery.
Coming off, Chris?
Yep. All right. Now, second, I got to start unbolting it from the tranny now.
What?
This, because I'm going to need this later on when I have probably next Friday. Then I got to unbolt it from this front one also. I forgot about that. A few things we got to do. That should just be 8 millimeters. 2 on that side, 2 on that side.
Oh, okay.
Should pop right off if I remember correctly.
Oh, so regular size fits it?
Yeah. Taking the front drive shaft off. It connects to the transfer case portion. Already got the rear one off.
For the transmission.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a tire right here. Have to lower it more. Good job. Who's this? Could be smaller.
Is it raising higher? No, that's going
You're
down.
lowering it.
Never mind. I guess it does work. I just. I remember it took me like 15 minutes to get just 4 of these out. That's how long they are, because they're like that long. Back then, when I used to use just the ratchet. Gosh. Once I get this cross member out of the way, everything will go fast.
What about this one? Did you put this one in here just like that?
Yeah.
Fell off by itself.
You pull that out. Alrighty. Everything is accessible now. Give me that extension, please. Thank you. Smaller extension. What you do? Hand me the other ratchet. The electric one? The electric.
This one?
That's when this baby comes into play. Yeah, you got. Is it on there? It feels like it needs a deep, huh?
I can't tell with these gloves. Yeah,
Or unless this is too big.
It should be this.
You wanna?
It should be this size because that one was up there.
Yeah, and that's what size it was.
Well, I'll take my hand off that way I can feel it.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's the size. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah. Can you hand me that socket?
Which one?
The one that I put up. Oh, I got it.
Oh,
Yeah, this is gonna make it a dream. It's gonna go by real fast once that last bolt's off. Let me get this. Do you think you can get it from over there?
there's two of them.
All right, it's already on reverse. You're good. All right, I gotta get that plug. I don't know. The plug looks a little hard.
Where's it at?
It's back here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Remember that song by Eddie Murphy? Party all the time.
Yeah.
My girl wants to party all the time.
I can't feel it with the big glove.
Yeah, I know. Remember that, Aya? Can you open this door? Need leverage. Thank you. And this nut is a pain in the ass.
That one bolt, huh?
Yeah,
One.
just this one bolt. Got it.
You might have to use that little one too for that one over there at the house.
Yeah, I will. Okay, that's it. I gotta get to the other side and then we could pull it off.
This is the news.
Look at that setup. Just look at
worked.
that bolt. Yeah, it worked.
I guess that's why they make the tools. So,
Yeah.
You know.
Gotta do what you gotta do. Just gotta improvise. All right, let's get this sucker wants to come home.
We should get tools out of the way. That way we can, if everything's loose.
Yeah, let me break this with the impact real quick and see if there's any more underneath that. Where's the 15? Can you hand me that 15 on that 1/4 inch? Thank you. Yep, there's 2 hiding. All right, hand me that 1/4 inch. So I have to use the regular. Where's it?
What?
Wait, these aren't. I don't know if I could use anything. I'm gonna have to use a wrench. Yeah,
I have to use the wrench.
those are wrenchers. Okay, 15 millimeter. Can you hand me the snips on top of my toolbox? It's the right on the very top corner. Hold on, I could tell Ailey. Ailey, can you get those? I'm gonna grab that side. Sorry. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't weigh that much.
No, it doesn't. Huh?
It's just the trouble taking it off.
Pain in the ass. Success. Got the transfer case off. It's about damn time.
So that's why you got to take off on yours.
Yeah, 1 plug, 1 vacuum. I hope it's in. It should be in
Park?
2-wheel drive. Yeah, that's feels like it's all the way forward.
See, look at that. It's not even dirty through the outside.
No. This I forgot what this seal is called. Yeah, that seal looks good though. That's the seal that was leaking on my original transfer case that we fixed. All that just to fix that seal. No big deal. It's still good.
It wasn't leaking from the bottom normally.
No, it was just fine.
That dripping right there is from when
Right here.
when you took it off.
Yeah.
All that's just grass.
Let's pray that this works. I'm sure it should. Sure it should. Shit is sure. Alright, thank you guys for watching. As you know, this is Fun Automotive, and tomorrow is going to be the next video of the installation, so stay tuned and keep an eye out.